Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can have multiple Roblox accounts at once. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. What you need to do is just go ahead and open up Google or in your web browser. First up, you need to type in Roblox, and inside the website you just need to open up Roblox. So if you notice one thing, that it's asking me to log in, so just stay right over here, and then what you need to do is just open up your Microsoft Store inside your PC and just make sure that you type in Roblox, and once you type it in you'll see Roblox Windows, and if I press play on it, you'll be able to see that it's signing in for me already because I have a Roblox account. But let's see what happens if the game launches, because I already have it on my website. So here, as you can see, now I can create an account directly from here, and I do have another Roblox account. So you can just log in this website on another account, and right over here you can just log in with another account and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.